Lawrence Andas. So they decided na we must offer a change, a total change. Kasi kapag may dynasty, good or bad dynasty, walang checks and balances yan. Diba, recently yung Supreme Court sinuggest sa Congress na magpasa ng batas against political dynasty. Kasi tinatawag nila sa Dasmariñas is a good dynasty. So, good or bad dynasty, wala pa rin checks and balances yun. So, from our congressman, former City Councilor Nisha Lamparzaga, si Mayor Alen Cabo, Vice Mayor ng DASMA, board member din, and they decided na we must offer a change. Kasi from board member, congressman, mayor, vice mayor, isang day. So, nandito kami full state, and we offer change, a total change, yung totoong pagbabago. Kasi pag dynasty, pag may problema ang city, pwede nilang pag-usapan din sa bahay. Pero kami, iba-iba yung pamilito namin, pag may problem ang city, sa city ko lang pag-usapan. So, yun yung political landscape sa DASMA na bubunggo kami sa panel.
Sa Matay, sir.
Hindi ang makinarya, talagang sementado na yung makinarya nila. Pero sabi nga ni Mayor Nico, kung bubunggo ka sa panel, kung mabungguin, magdala ka ng kantan, kasi hindi mo matitipag ang panel. So yun yung political landscape sa DASMA.